grilling with gold? Hundreds of burgers an hour? These grills are absurd. And another installment of most expensive items. We're talking about grills. Here are 3 ridiculous and expensive grills. Coming in at number 3 is a grill built for volume. This is the Crown Verity Tailgate Grill. And yes, it connects to your trunk's hitch and goes where you go. If you love grilling and tailgating and have hundreds of friends that come along, then this grill is for you because it's capable of grilling up to 367 hamburgers per hour. That's a lot of cow. But at just $10,700, this grill offers the best bang for your buck if you need to grill massive amounts of meat for huge crowds. Number 2 on our list is the Cow Spa Outdoor Super Sports Cabana. This 5-burner grill has an exclusive convection system that drives heat perfectly throughout the grilling area. But the grill isn't what you're really paying for here. Included with this set is a fridge, a bar area, a stereo system, 3 TVs, and ample storage. At $35,000, this is an entire patio experience built around a modest but capable grill. And finally, at number 1 is the Beef Eater gold-plated barbecue grill. This Australian company has taken their already impressive Series 7 grill burner, completely coated in 24-karat gold, to give the owners the ultimate backyard status. And yes, everything except the grilling surface is covered in 24-karat gold, from the warming rack to the nuts and bolts that holds this thing together. And don't worry about the heat melting the gold. Gold has a melting point of around 2,000 degrees Fahrenheit, and most grills will max out at 700. But for a whopping $164,000, give or take depending on the current gold price, you might want to bring it inside the house when you're done grilling. I love grilling, but I like to flex my skills over wares. I'll be grilling some nice steaks using a cheap $40 grill. Let's see how that turns out. Alright, today I'm going to be showing you guys how I barbecue ribeyes on a very inexpensive grill. But first we're going to start off with the seasoning. I got some basic kosher salt, some garlic salt, and this is my secret ingredient from Costco, sweet mesquite seasoning. Goes great with chickens and fish as well, and vegetables. So first I'm going to start out with my kosher salt. These guys are pretty thick, so I'm gonna sprinkle a lot of salt on it. I like to control the portions by just putting the salt in my palm and then grabbing it, sprinkling generously. I usually coat it with some oil, but because there's so much marble on this 2 pieces of ribeye, I'm gonna just forego the extra oil. Mesquite seasoning. I like to really cover it with the seasoning so that it gets that crusty, crunchy texture on the exterior of the steak. Pat it down so it sticks to the meat. You know, try to get the edges. Mop the plate, so to speak. Okay, let these two guys marinate for about a good 20 minutes or so, at least, while the coal is getting started. We'll come back. Check out this decadence. 2 pounds of ribeye. All right, it's getting cold out. I got the grill up. We're ready to do some testing of barbecues. Steak's ready. Okay. So it's been about 10 minutes. It's okay. These were thick steaks. Ooh. Ooh. Can we see that? Can we get a zoom in? Thank you. Okay, so could have gone for a little longer. This one's better. Heat's a little higher over here. Okay, that's a thicker guy. Okay, I'm gonna say another 10 minutes at least. See you later. All right, should be good now. Check out them ribeyes. $40 grill. This is the cut test. Is it juicy? Is it tender? I'd say it passed the test. Good job, $40 grill.